Hello, I'm in a 2016 Kia Sorento, and today I'm going to show you how to jumpstart your vehicle. So first you open the hood, and then towards the driver's side you should see your battery right here with your positive terminal here and your negative terminal here. And you can always double check on the battery itself too, because usually there'll be a negative sign near the negative terminal and a positive sign near the positive. And then from here I would check for any corrosion that might be built up, which you can clean off with a good brush or rag. So clean these terminals up nice. Next, I'd make sure they're actually connected tight, so you can tighten them up here and here so they're not loose. And after that, then with your jump box or jumper cables, you'll take your metal clamps and you'll have your positive metal clamp, which is usually red. You'll connect the metal here on as much metal in here as you can. And then for your negative terminal, same thing, you want the negative clamp connected to as much metal as you can. And if you're running jumper cables to another vehicle, you want to make sure that your positive leads directly to the positive on the other vehicle and your negative directly to the negative on the other vehicle. And once you've had these connected with a good connection for a few minutes or more, hopefully that's given you enough juice to get this started. And if you've been trying this for quite a while and not having success, you might need to replace this battery, which if you need to, you just remove this air intake, which will just pull out of here. Might need to unscrew this, but this just pulls right out. And then you'll loosen these terminals, so you can lift the terminals off. Also, then the battery's loose, you can lift the old battery out, set the new battery in, retighten and attach everything, and then you should be good to go. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.